The Config tab is the deepest layer of your HDFury device. The system-level settings that control input switching, HDCP behavior, network configuration, analog audio, IR control, and more. This is where power users spend their time fine-tuning the VRRooM for their exact setup. FuryPath makes all of it accessible from your phone. Let's walk through every section. At the top of Config, you'll find Autoswitch and HDCP mode. Autoswitch is set to on power, meaning the VRRooM will automatically switch to a new input when it detects a device powering on. This is great for setups where you want the active source to be whatever just turned on. HDCP mode is set to Auto/1.4. The VRRooM handles HDCP handshakes automatically, but can fall back to 1.4 for compatibility with older displays. Below that, HTPC mode toggles are available per input, RX0 through RX3, all currently off. HTPC mode optimizes signal handling for PC sources that send non-standard timing. Scrolling down, you hit the OLED display settings within Config, separate from the dedicated OSD tab. These control the display behavior at the hardware level. Below that, audio output format shows options for 720 and 1080, controlling how the VRRooM formats audio for different resolution outputs. And the mute TX0 and TX1 toggles appear here too, giving you quick access to per-output audio muting without switching tabs. The analog audio section is a hidden gem. Volume, bass, and treble sliders let you adjust the VRRoom's analog audio output. Yes, the VRRooM has an analog audio out, and you can control it from FuryPath. Hit Send to push the values to the device. Below that, IR control shows the infrared receiver settings. Active confirms the IR sensor is enabled, and code set controls which IR code table the VRRooM responds to. This is essential if you're using a universal remote or IR blaster to control the VRRooM alongside your other components. The network section is critical for FuryPath's own connectivity. TX plus 5V force controls whether the VRRooM sends 5 volts on the TX outputs. TX1 is on here. Relay controls an internal relay for power management. Then you get to the network settings. DHCP is on, so the VRRooM gets its IP address automatically. mDNS is enabled for local discovery. IP interrupts are on, which means the VRRooM pushes status updates to connected clients. That's how FuryPath gets real-time updates without constant polling. If you prefer a static IP, and you should for any device you control over the network, the static IP configuration section has fields for IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and port. And at the very bottom, the system section gives you 3 hardware-level actions. Reboot restarts the VRRooM, Hotplug forces an HDMI rehandshake on all ports, and factory reset wipes everything back to defaults. These are the nuclear options. Use them wisely, but it's incredibly convenient to have them accessible from your phone instead of needing a serial console. Back in the FuryPath app settings, you can configure the app itself. Dark AMOLED theme for that clean look, auto reconnect to handle network interruptions gracefully, and a 20-second polling interval for near real-time status. The About section lists all 8 supported HDFury models with their default ports, plus links to the MiyaraHub website and Discord community. That's the Config tab and App Settings, the complete system-level control layer. Autoswitch, HDCP, analog audio, IR, network, static IP, and hardware reboot, all from your Android phone. FuryPath, total HDFury control, available on Google Play and the App Store. Built by MiyaraHub Technologies.